And heaven and nature sing. La da da dee da da.
Welcome back everybody, my name is Dean from Scenescapeshop and this is your Coffee Break Thursday. So last week painted X-Files, still drying on the wall there before I send it off to Top Fan Marissa. So sending that really soon, but I've just realised it's December, 1st of December. So I thought it would be good to paint some Christmas films. I think we'll fit 2 more Christmas paintings in before my big announcement, as I alluded to in the countdown, the week before Christmas. So yeah, let me know if you have a favourite Christmas film and if you want to see me paint a certain scene. But this week we're going to paint Christmas Carol. So Christmas Carol has been told in many different forms and there's been lots of different people playing Scrooge. We've got the old classics, the black and white Alistair Sim, we've got Albert Finney, Bill Murray in Scrooge, to one of my favourites. Also played by people like Michael Caine and Jim Carrey. The animation in this film is sublime. It's one of my favourite Christmas films. I thought I'd paint the scene where Scrooge is taken into his past by the Ghost of Christmas Past. I remember being blown away in the cinema when this was in 3D, watching this scene. Okay, just a quick introduction this week because I do have to get on with painting those and I am up to something. So that's taking up a lot of time as well. We're not going to look at the desk behind me, nothing's changed much because we're pausing it for a while with these Christmas movies. But we will check back in with Manny Queenie, Iron Man, Tin Man, Robocop, just after that. So, without further ado, it's Coffee Break Thursday. You know what to do. Grab that cup, put your feet up, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Good afternoon.